Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by signing into the channel that will use the tracks. This ensures correct licensing and download access. Once signed in, click your avatar in the top right and choose YouTube Studio to open the Creator dashboard. From the dashboard, move straight to the left-hand menu and click Audio Library. This takes you into the library interface where you can search, preview, and download. Don't skip signing into the right account because downloads attach to channel usage. Once inside the audio library, use the search bar to find specific titles, artists, or moods. This narrows results quickly. Next, apply filters for genre, track duration, attribution requirements, and license type so you only see usable options for your project. Preview tracks with the play button to check transitions and levels. If a track fits, click the download icon or add it to your music list for later. Make sure to note whether attribute to finalize. Click the download icon next to a track to save the MP3 or WAV. Verify the file name and date in your downloads folder. If a track requires attribution, copy the exact credit text from the track panel into your video description so you comply with the license. If something goes wrong, clear your browser cache and cookies, try an incognito window, or confirm channel permissions and sign-in status. These steps fix most access or download issues quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.